how to follow hashtags on Mastodon. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's guide video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can follow hashtags on Mastodon account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, following a specific hashtag will recommend you more posts and related pictures or images based on those specific hashtags. And to do this procedure, you will not be able to do it from the Mastodon application. I've tried it multiple times myself. Even if you just go to the search button, of course you can go ahead and then look for a specific hashtag, but if you're talking about following them, you will not be able to do it from the app. So instead, what you want to do is you simply want to head over to your browser, go to your Mastodon domain depending upon which server you are from, which is mastodon.social, mastodon.online, or whatever else you prefer. Then if you look on the right hand side after you log into the account, you'll find the little hashtag icon right over here. You want to make sure to tap on it, and then over here you want to go to these different menus over here, as you can see, and just tap on the hashtags button. Now here you'll be able to see a list of trending hashtags, or you can also search for a specific one. Just select a specific hashtag here, and in order to follow this hashtag, if you look at the very top right hand side in the little button, you can see the little plus icon right next to a person's profile image. So you want to make sure to just tap the little plus icon, as and when you tap the plus icon, you will have successfully followed that specific hashtag. So that's how it works on your browser, but as I said, you will not be able to do it from the app. You have to go to your browser, log into your server, tap the plus icon over here to follow that specific hashtag. So hope this video helps you as to how you can go ahead and follow a hashtag on Mastodon. Hope this video was really helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.